guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an updated home tour video because it's been a few years since the last one and we've definitely done some updates to the house, so let's take a look inside. Okay, so right when you come in, this is our entryway. It's quite spacious, and one of the things that I loved about the layout was that right when you come in you could see the back door, which makes the room feel more bigger and brighter. So we have a bookshelf, a little seating area. There's some games hidden in that seat right there. And I painted that painting right on top just to tie in with the rug that we have in the entryway. Here's a shelf for our shoes, bags, and things. And then starting out with our living space, we originally had a very wide white wall, but we decided to make this into an accent wall. And I'm so glad we chose this midnight blue color because I think it ties in really, really well and makes some of our furniture pop. Here is our shiplap and brick fireplace. This was the first thing that we renovated. It used to be made with rocks and like a red brick, but we decided to paint it, take out all the rocks and add in shiplap, and we're obsessed with the way it looks. And we have our fabric couch from Article. This was the first couch that we got. And then our new couch, this one I believe is from, I can't remember on top of my head where it's from, but I'll definitely link it, but we love it. It's a leather couch. And here is our kitchen space. This is the dining room. We also decided to do an accent wall right over here. It's like a dark gray color, and I love it against the shiplap walls on the sides and on the ceiling as well. And that door leads to the garage. Plenty of natural light coming through. And then here is our kitchen that we completely renovated. We go into details of the renovation in a previous video, but basically this entire section used to be a wall with a little door for the kitchen, so it was a lot more enclosed. This cabinet was pushed all the way here, so there was no dishwasher, but we knocked off the wall and opened it up so that it's nice and spacious. We did some open shelves with, again, pop of contrast with the dark gray cabinets, brass hardware, and a sink as well. So this is the master bedroom and the closet right over here. And then on this side is our room. We repainted all of the walls. It used to be more of a pinky gray color, but we went with a cool off-white gray. And then it used to be carpeted, but now we put in hardwood floors. So here's the bathroom. The first thing we did was replace the floor tiles with this geometric pattern. I really like having a pop of pattern in a smaller restroom. And going with the black and white theme, we got darker cabinets, and we use the same quartz countertop that we have from our kitchen. We also replaced the faucet. And then on this side is our shower. We didn't do much to this one except replace just the shower heads. Otherwise, we kept the tile as is. So if we go into this hallway, we have the first room outside of the master room. And this room has been used for many different purposes. Right now it is Patrick's home office, but it's also Riley's room. It was a gym and also a guest room. Love the little built-in shelves. It's good natural lighting as well. And then we also replaced the carpet with wood laminate floors. And then we have the guest bath, which we completely renovated. First of all, I'm obsessed with these gorgeous tiles with all these fun details. So we have the toilet and shelf right over here. That is a diaper sprayer, if you're wondering what that is, for cloth diapers. And then this is a concrete sink that Patrick basically made. It's definitely one of my favorite details of this bathroom for sure. And then we got this cabinet, I believe from All Modern, and some black accent mirrors and sink and hardware. We have the towel rack back here. And then on the other side of the sink, we have a shower and tub combo with a half glass. So it looks nice and sleek. Also completely changed the tile and just this entire section in general. So you can use to shower and take a bath. Okay, last and final room is Everett's nursery, and I'm gonna try to record this while he's taking a nap. So, oh, it looks like he's waking up. Hi, little guy. Okay, so I had Patrick hold Everett, but here is his nursery. This is, besides my shed, probably my favorite room in the actual house. And this is definitely my favorite corner. We have Everett's a banner that I made for his baby shower, which we repurposed in his room. Got this cute mobile from Crate and Barrel. This is definitely my favorite decoration in his room, and it's this wall hanging that my mother-in-law and I made together, and I just am in love with the colors that we went with. We also have this little diaper changing station. We're currently cloth diapering, so that, yeah, that's kind of like our little station. We have his closet right over here. All of the furnitures in here are from All Modern, the crib and the drawers as well as the rocking chair that I use mainly just to nurse Everett. And we are obsessed with this rug that we got from Rugs Plus. Super soft and cozy. And then on this side I have my little paper roller by Red Co. And it's nice because you can just do some artwork on it and then pull it off and have a brand new canvas. And today happens to be 4th of July, which is why I have this little baby You're a firework set going on. All right, so let's go back to the backyard outside. There's Riley. So obviously this is one of my favorite parts of the entire house, is this tough shed that I built. I also have a separate tour that goes more in detail about it, but I'll show you a little sneak peek of what's inside if you haven't watched that video. So all of the windows and doors are customized, and I chose the colors. The only thing that it didn't come with is this yellow door, which I painted myself. So if you saw my video, you know that I painted the entire interior of the shed. It came originally in like a silver color, but I sprayed painted it white with the help of Patrick, of course. And it also came with not so nice floors, so we added these wood laminate floors, so it's nice and comfy to walk on. And yeah, this is basically where I work, paint, my little creative space where I record podcasts, film videos, respond to emails, and all that good stuff. Okay, so on this side of the yard is basically Riley's little patch of grass. We've got some palm trees because we live in California, obviously. And then here is a modern fireplace that Patrick built. It's pretty cool. And then on this side we have a little barbecue space where we can grill and hang out with friends and just have like a little backyard grill. And that's a wrap to our updated home tour video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The main reason why I decided to film this video is actually because we are moving out of this home. It's so bittersweet because this is our first home and we put so much of our blood, sweat, and tears into this house, and I obviously love this home and all the memories that we created here. But we actually are making a huge life change and moving from California all the way to Nashville, Tennessee. There's a lot of reasons why we decided to make the move, but we basically found our dream home. We wanted a change in our life, and yeah, we just wanted to change it up. So we're moving to Nashville where we have our family there as well. And I can't wait to show you guys the entire process, moving with a brand new baby. Both Patrick and I are business owners, so we'll be moving both of our businesses over there, and I will be documenting the whole process as well as showing you guys the new house, which I can't wait to show you. So I will document the whole thing and share with you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.